Okay, be honest. Have you ever said something weird, and then the room went totally silent? Because same. It happens to everyone. And Americans? Oh, we have so many little phrases to survive awkward moments. Today, we're going to cover 10 super common awkward situations with exact phrases you can use so you never freeze again, from mishearing someone, forgetting names, awkward silences, interrupting, saying the wrong thing, bad jokes, bumping into people, blanking out, changing topics, and embarrassing moments.
Yep. Americans are basically experts at pretending everything is fine, even when it's not. And today, we'll teach you the exact phrases native speakers use for every awkward moment imaginable, so you can handle them smoothly, politely, and with confidence.
Hey everyone, welcome back to TalkEasy English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm David. If you want to speak English naturally, confidently, and without panicking in strange situations, you're in the right place.
Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. It really helps our small channel grow.
Okay, Sarah, ready to unawkward the world.
Let's do it. Let's start with awkward moment number 1, when you misheard someone. You know when someone says something and your brain is like, wait, what?
Happens to me daily. Americans don't usually say, "Repeat, please." That sounds formal. Instead, you can casually say, "Sorry, what was that?" "I didn't catch that." "Say that one more time."
These phrases are soft, friendly, and perfect when you don't want the other person to feel bad. You can even use them at work, coffee shops, or in class.
Let's do a mini role play.
Hey, the meeting moved to 4.
Huh? Sorry, what was that?
The meeting moved to 4.
Ah, okay, thanks.
Pro tip: Americans often smile while saying this to keep the mood light. Awkward moment number 2, when you forget someone's name. The most common awkward moment ever in America.
Don't worry, we all do it.
You can say, "I'm so sorry. Remind me of your name? I know we've met, but your name slipped my mind. Can you tell me your name one more time?" Here's a mini role play for you all.
Hey, great to see you again.
I know this is embarrassing. Remind me of your name?
Ryan.
Ryan. Right. Great to see you.
Americans love honesty here. Just smile and say it confidently. No shame.
Awkward moment number 3, when things go silent. Americans hate silent moments. Small talk or humor is your magic wand.
Your go-to phrases in this situation. So anyway, where were we? This got awkward fast. A mini role play to understand this better.
We both staring silently. So anyway.
Yeah, we were talking about the trip.
Right.
Extra tip. Adding a light joke works wonders. Something like, "Well, this is fun silence, huh?"
Awkward moment number 4, when you accidentally interrupt. Americans interrupt all the time, but they apologize instantly.
Instant phrases be like, "Sorry, go ahead." "My bad. Didn't mean to cut you off." "Jump in whenever."
Quick mini role play for this situation to tackle.
"So I was at the store."
Oh, did you see? Sorry, go ahead.
"No worries. I was just saying."
Americans use "my bad" all the time. Casual, friendly, perfect for daily life. Awkward moment number 5, when you say something wrong.
Phrases to be used. Let me rephrase that. Okay, that came out wrong. What I meant to say was mini role play.
Your dog looks old.
Wow.
That came out wrong. I meant wise, mature, distinguished.
Nice save.
Even native speakers do this all the time. It shows confidence and self-awareness. Awkward moment number 6. When someone says a bad joke. Americans love fake laughing.
Here are useful phrases for such moments. Oh, wow. Okay. Interesting joke. Moving on.
Mini role play.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
David!
To get to the other side.
Oh, wow, okay. Moving on. Fake laughing keeps the social vibe friendly, even if you didn't enjoy the joke. Awkward moment number 7. When you bump into someone. Americans apologize even if they got hit.
Phrases for such situation. Oh, sorry about that. You're good. All good. Mini role play. Just imagine Sarah and David bump shoulders.
Oh, sorry about that.
You're good.
Thanks! Quick tip. A small smile makes this feel casual and natural. Awkward moment number 8. When you don't know what to say.
Use these phrases. Well, this is something. I don't even know what to say. Anyway, what about you?
These phrases break tension and shift focus to someone else, which Americans love. Awkward moment number 9. When you want to change the topic. Smooth phrases for such transitions are, speaking of, on a different note. That reminds me.
Mini role play. So my neighbor plays drums at 3 a.m.
On a different note, did you finish your coffee?
Great transition.
Phrases like this make conversations feel seamless and natural. Awkward moment number 10. When something embarrassing happens. Humor saves you.
Here are the phrases. Well, that happened. Pretend you didn't see that. I'm just gonna walk away. Understand this with our mini role play.
Spills coffee.
Well, that happened.
Pretend you didn't see that. Americans use humor to escape embarrassment. Works every time. All of these phrases will help you survive any awkward moment in the U.S. Misheard words, forgotten names, silence, interruptions, mistakes, bad jokes, bumping into people, blanking out, changing topics, or embarrassing situations.
Confidence beats perfection. Humor, smiles, and smooth phrases are your tools.
Even your most awkward moments can turn into connection points if you handle them like a native speaker.
My most awkward moment? I waved at someone and they were calling their dog.
No!
And I literally said, "Welp." That was tragic.
See? These phrases keep you confident and connected with Americans, even when things go wrong. All right, friends, hope these phrases help you survive every awkward moment like a true American.
If you enjoyed this lesson, hit like. It really helps our channel grow.
Subscribe for more natural American English lessons.
And tell us in the comments, what's your most awkward English moment? We'd love to feature some in the next episode.
Thanks for watching TalkEasy English.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.